The Insta360 Luna Ultra in low light. This is pure video mode. Do you see any difference? Only went about 50 feet. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining me. Insta360, you need to get these overlays out of here. I have my other camera with me, and it's not a bokeh camera. I thought I'd grab it and use it. My action camera, that is. And yeah, that's the camera I like to hold in hand on my bike and everything where I go. It's easy to use, easy to hold. Don't have to worry about where it goes. Applebee's lit up. Once again, the boat's running, diesel, getting ready to go out later this morning. If they could make a pocket camera and 12 times lossless zoom, 6 times, whatever times, right? And they could do that with an action camera. Make it like a small point and shoot. You remember the Canon Elphi 2s? They're pretty small, just like the action camera, if asked, right? Bridge is busy with fishing today. We'll capture the sunrise shortly. Nice and calm after last night's storm. You think the boats are sharing a slip? The microphone. I got to reconnect it. Maybe turn it on when I want to use the Insta360 Luna Ultra. It doesn't stay on as long as the DJI Mic 2 does when the camera's off. Well, I got some answers back. They want to resolve it. I'm not yet ready to resolve. I'm getting ready to, get to my second one, while the first one I still have to observe. And that is with the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Well, it's not coming up yet, so let's get on out of here. It's just amazing. As soon as I pull over, I gotta go. No, I'm down Cat Alley. I say that because this block's got a ton of cats. And there they are. There's one. There's another. And another. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not the Insta360 Luna Ultra where I could zoom in. The action camera, by the time I double tap on the screen and get the zoom to 2 times, not worth it. Ah, finally, they tarred. I gotta go across all this. I want to be careful not to go across the seam. Let me get on the other side where it's nice and smooth. I don't want to ride on a rocky, roughy road. I want to ride on, you got it, a smooth road. Look at this. It's already got a little water spot. At least it's done. Hey, I made it here again as the lights just gone out. That's what I like about my action camera. I could turn it around real nice and smooth and slow the way I want. I know if I want to pan around and do deep tracking, your own manual panning as a human is a lot smoother than electronic, if asked. It's kind of jerky at times when you're with the Insta360 Luna Ultra trying to zoom and then deep track the object. It does that sometimes. It is breezy, and I gotta go find another spot. All right, I'm gonna have to switch on over back to the Insta360 Luna so you can see the beautiful, wonderful cruise ship that's coming into port. I wish I had my 30 times plus 20, but this I have to do, and I can't see it on the screen. So I'm not sure where I'm zooming in, if I'm dead centered or not, but I am a little bit towards the left, as now I'm able to see it. I'm going to hit once for tracking. I got no spot to put this down. And there you go. Doing a great job indeed. I could probably go into 8K resolution and have 6 times only. And only when it's off recording, get it past 2.9. And once it's on 3, then hit recording for 6 times, lossless. But the problem is, I'm just better off in 4K, going into post and bringing in 30% more. And you may not know any difference at all, how close I am. But it's going to be a little grainy on this low light shot. But that's where the 3 AI chips come about. I'm at, as you can see, just took off right there. I missed it altogether. But we're capturing the sand cleaner, going around the person. At least he's doing his job. I have a tail light. Man, the box was so small. I got to put it together in order to get it on either the post or the back of the luggage rack, where I already got 2 lights. Side by side, DJI mic underneath the shirt and the Mic Pro on the outside of the shirt. I find it a lot easier with the DJI Mic 2 button to press. It is what it is, man. Not many people out there use the remote. If I wanted to grab the actual Insta360 Luna's remote, the touchscreen, and use that as a microphone, this got to be disconnected. And that's one of the concerns I have with the Mic Pro with Insta360. And they want to close the ticket. I'm not yet done. I'm just about beginning to get started. It is what it is, man. If it's not a camera, it's a car. If it's not a car, it's a bike. If it's not a bike, it's an accessory. It's not an accessory, it's something else. That's all I'm saying. Well, today's times, don't complain. It's not worth complaining anymore. Where's it going to get you? Well, let's give a little talk. And you'll kind of understand. I can't sit down. Maybe I'll switch camera views that way. Alright, I didn't want to stop the video and I didn't want to flip the screens around and do it while walking. So I cut, edited it in to the same long video. And I'll turn around once again and I'll put the cameras right here at the edge of the table so you can see the clarity. Well, we got TV Guide. It comes on a scheduled time. Let's say every Tuesdays. If you miss one day, right? I want to make sure the cruise ship's in the picture. And, all right, so you get it Wednesday. Maybe you get it Monday. Give or take a day or two, right? Well, sometimes we don't get it. And it's like 50-50. So let's say we get it every 2 weeks, right? We only get 1 issue a month about. Now we got to keep on calling and we keep on getting a digital copy. Well, we don't know if it's the company sending it out, getting lost in the mail, getting misdelivered, or the mailman or carrier taking it. Nobody knows. It doesn't get to the doorstep as promised. So what do? You ask the company to do a number of things. The company's not going to do it. They offer you just a digital copy or sorry. And the digital copy comes late. Anyway, the only way to resolve this is to put a GPS tracker in the magazine or put it in the white envelope. Change the way you deliver. Never going to happen. You could complain all you want. Never's going to happen. And that's the problem. with everything in life. You give them a solution, it never gets resolved. That's all I'm saying. Well, it's time for me to get on out of here. And which camera am I going to use? Stop recording, close the screen, and the camera don't shut down. Why complain? I just, tell you like it is, what I see, through a camera's eyes. The beach, mighty clean this time around. Normally, it's a mess. I guess they did a good job in 2026. I'm gonna go out this way. The other way, I meet up with the guy with the cart. I don't want to get hit this time. And another cart comes by. So let's get on going. We head out the large gate, go down our favorite block. Exit stage left. The street's not completed over here. We'll cut across soon. Well, that's the highlight, my talk, my show, my share, my fun, my ride. I gotta go figure out how to put the clip together. I kinda know how. I know where the cuts are. But the thing is, I didn't say 1, then start the video, 2, and start the next video, etc., etc. I just basically did it. You gotta have a good memory to know where to go. Well, which camera do you like best? Do you like the Insta360 Luna Ultra or the action camera? I didn't mention if it was an Extra, Edge Pro, or a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. But it is time to put the cameras away and have a wonderful day. I am Fish, and I see you on the next video outing.